Welcome to the magic, only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest.
आप अपने क्राफ्ट में एक्सीलेंट को कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं?
वो हमारे जो हमारे निर्माता और निर्देशक हैं उन पे निर्भर है कि वो हमसे कैसा काम निकालें. So I think you have to just work with the right people.
Working with the right people is the key to excellence.
Yes.
What is your favorite place in your home?
I like every place in my home.
You must have a favorite spot, like your spot.
Probably my bed.
Thank you very much for chatting with us.
किसके परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आप सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं?
I think Varun.
तो विक्की एंड अभिषेक का होस्ट है.
Yes.
फायरवर्क्स तो होने ही वाला.
100%.
What are you expecting?
I think that there's going to be a lot of energy. I think there's going to be a lot of fun. And दोनों हटके हैं. तो बच के कोई रह नहीं सकता.
Who inspires you?
मम्मी.
Mummy, great, lovely. Have a
Thank
fab
you.
evening. Thank you.
It's always wonderful to be nominated. I think, being acknowledged by your peers is something which is very special to every actor. And I feel very honored. And yeah.
And you're also hosting up. Host bhi kar rahe hain. It's going to be funny.
I hope so. I hope so. I mean, we find it funny. I hope the audiences and you find it funny.
I'm just going to ask you 3 questions.
Sure.
Okay. आपको अपने तीनों फिंगर्स ऊपर रखने. Okay. जैसे जैसे मैं आपसे सवाल पूछूं, अगर आपने ऐसा कुछ किया है, आप वो फिंगर डाउन कर दो. ओके, पुट योर फिंगर डाउन अगर आपने कभी कोस्टा के मेकअप मैन या स्टाइलिस्ट से आपने गॉसिप लेने की कोशिश की. पुट योर फिंगर डाउन अगर आप खराटे लेते हैं.
मुझे कैसे पता है यार?
कभी आपको बोला
आप मेरी बीवी से पूछेगा. मैं तो सो रहा हूँ ना.
एंजॉय.
Last year I came here to just take an award, my first Best Actress of IFA, and this time I've come to perform.
Wow.
And it's always exciting to come for IFA because it's away from our country and we all sort of meet and celebrate cinema together.
Right.
And last year also was Abu Dhabi here.
Yes.
And it's been here again. There's been a lot of love. So clearly we're back.
I want to know what makes your home unique for you.
The people I share it with, definitely. And I think my personality and, just the vibe of home that I like, every little thing. And I have a tendency of sort of really getting into every little corner, choosing the fabric, and then the mess that we create. I think that's what makes it home.